A beautiful, sparkling waterfall flows into a calm, shallow stone pool in the French countryside. The sweet scent of wild lavender fills the crisp morning air. The vintage RV, B, rests gently in a lush green valley nearby. Suddenly, a soft, rhythmic croaking sound echoes near the water's edge.
Hey, Daisy. Did you hear that? What is that funny sound?
Ben immediately stands up, wiping his calloused hands on a towel. Maya gently takes Daisy's hand to keep her safe. Together, the family walks slowly toward the water.
It's incredible.
It really is beautiful out here.
They stop, keeping a safe distance from the slippery rocks. Maya crouches down next to the children, keeping her arm protectively behind Daisy.
Look closely right there, Toby, near that wet rock. Do you see it?
Toby squints, searching the area. Resting on the mossy stone is a tiny creature.
It is a tiny green frog. Was the frog here yesterday?
I think the frog was here yesterday.
Maya laughs softly, pulling her green canvas jacket tighter.
The frog was hiding because yesterday was very cold and rainy.
Toby shivers playfully at the memory.
You guys promised sunshine, but the weather was absolutely terrible yesterday.
Ben nods, placing a warm hand on Toby's shoulder.
That was a difficult drive. Were you tired yesterday?
Yes, I was very tired.
Daisy chimes in, rubbing her tummy.
I was very hungry yesterday.
Maya strokes Daisy's hair affectionately.
I know, sweetie. It has been a very long day, and we are all exhausted. The forest was dark, and we were lost for a little while.
Toby looks at the bright waterfall.
We weren't scared.
Ben laughs a deep, hearty laugh, his eyes crinkling with pride.
You were a very brave boy yesterday.
Daisy tugs gently on Maya's jacket.
B, the RV was very warm inside during the rain.
Maya stands up slowly, holding Daisy's hand securely.
B was a great shelter.
Toby turns and points toward their yellow home on wheels.
We were very lucky to have B.
Suddenly, a tiny splash. The green frog leaps into the water. Toby and Daisy jump slightly, their eyes wide with surprise. Ben chuckles heartily, tucking his hands into his pockets.
Well, he was certainly very fast.
It is time to make a warm breakfast.
Leaving the little frog behind, the family turns back. The bright morning sun promises another beautiful day on the road. Back at their yellow home, it is time for a warm breakfast. Ben carefully sets up the wooden table. Maya brings out a woven basket filled with fresh bread. Toby helps by unfolding the canvas chairs.
Oh boy, is breakfast ready?
The warm, crusty bread smells wonderful. Ben pours sweet orange juice into the glasses.
Can I have some bread, please?
Here you go.
Finally, everyone sits down
your
together
dad might
to
try
eat.
to eat all the pancakes.
Hey, they're really good.
Daisy takes a big, happy bite.
This is yummy.
Ben sips his coffee, enjoying the peaceful morning. The table is full of simple, good food. It is the perfect start to a perfect day.
It feels like a lifetime ago. I'm so glad we finally did it.
Let's clean up the table together.
Toby eagerly picks up the woven basket. Daisy carefully hands the enamel cups to her mother.
Thank you for helping, guys.
Ben reaches into his pocket and pulls out a folded paper map. The map shows winding roads and deep forests.
Where are we going today, Dad?
We are going to the Big Pine Mountain.
Daisy jumps up and down with joy. Maya opens the heavy door of the RV. Toby eagerly climbs the steps inside. Maya lifts Daisy safely inside. Ben shuts the door securely behind them. With a deep rumble, the RV comes to life. And the rotors roll forward into another beautiful day.
Welcome. I'm glad you're here to review the lesson with me. When we talk about things that happened yesterday, we use the past tense. Let me show you what I mean on the board.
It was rainy yesterday.
The key word here is was. We use was when the subject is singular. I was hungry. Remember, we use were for plural subjects, like they were or we were. Now we are going to look at the word were. It is often used when we talk about things that happened in the past. We were exhausted. You were brave. Remember, for negative statements in the past tense, we use contractions like wasn't and weren't.
Wasn't.
Toby wasn't scared. You did a great job today. You're doing great. Keep it up. I'm proud of you. See you next time on the road.